And welcome to another Popetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes, you, Algebra 1. And we are continuing on with our modeling systems of equations lesson in Chapter 4, where we're setting up equations from word problems and then solving them using one of the three methods that we learned in lessons 1, 2, and 3 of this chapter. Exercise number 4 says Natalie is 16 years younger than 3 times Arjun's age. Cecilia is 5 years older than twice Arjun's age. If Natalie and Cecilia are twins, how old is Arjun? So let's go ahead and let's see if we could make sense of these words by turning them into mathematical language or equations. So we have Natalie is 16 years younger than 3 times Arjun's age. So younger than is like less than. And when you have less than, it means to take the number 16 and to reverse the order or to put it at the end. So it's going to be 16 years younger than what? Okay, 3 times Arjun's age. Does it say anywhere in this problem what Arjun's age is? No, it does not. So how can we represent 3 times Arjun's age? We're going to use 3 times a variable. And the easiest variable for Arjun's age would be A. A will represent Arjun's age. So Natalie is 3 times Arjun's age minus 16. Good so far. But now we know something about Cecilia. Cecilia is 5 years older than twice Arjun's age. So representing twice Arjun's age, we're going to have 2 times Arjun's age, and 5 years older than that, we'll add 5 to that. So those are our two equations that represent Natalie's age in terms of Arjun's and Cecilia's age in terms of Arjun's as well. Finally, we know that Natalie and Cecilia are twins, which means they're the same age. Wait a second, Natalie is the same age as Cecilia. So we could solve this by substitution right here because we know that this is going to be equal to this. We know that 3a minus 16 is going to be equal to 2a plus 5. And by using the substitution method and solving for a, we're going to figure out how old Arjun is. So let's go ahead and let's get our constants to one side of our equation and our variables to the other. So I'll start off by adding 16 to both sides. I'll be left with 3a equals 2a plus 21. And I'll subtract 2a from both sides. And I will be left with a, or 1a, is equal to 21. So from this problem, we know that Arjun is 21 years old. So again, using information and turning that information into mathematical equations, we were able to set up a system of equations, and in this case, solve it by substitution. And if this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up below to let me know that I helped you out, and you're ready to click on exercise number 5 now, which is getting close to the end of our lesson on modeling systems of linear equations. Thank you for watching.